Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7496A. Only 13,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, blue velvet metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Large. Again, only 13,000 miles. This Equinox has advanced safety features like lane departure warning, as well as forward collision alert, controlled by button on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.